Hello, today we're looking at a rapid 3000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 460 volt 3-phase. Overall dimensions 38 inches long by 38 inches wide by 44 inches high. Take a look at the inside here. It is in good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. This unit can be hooked up to a PLC and run in auto mode. It is currently configured for manual mode, as you can see right there. Take a look at the data plate here. Very nice working unit. We'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it go. Take a look at the O-scope wave here, very subtle. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.